Today is 31st of December and we are going to the gym, but not to work out. We are taking our son because they have a special party for kids and he will spend time over there, and later we will go pick him up. While he's at the gym, I will go to the party city and buy some decorations for today's party. After dropping off my son at the party, we went to the Party City store to pick up some decorations for New Year's party, and I will show you guys what I got. I needed some tablecloth and I purchased this one. This is in color black, plastic tablecloth. This was around $1.50. Some napkins. This decoration, this will hang from the ceiling. I'm not sure how this even called. This is the set of 3. This was around $7. Some dessert plates and some regular plates. We have 12 balloons in color white, gold and black. Some cups for the juice or drinks. White ribbon because I will hang those balloons from the ceiling. That's all I purchased in Party City. For champagne, I have those glasses. I purchased them a while ago. They usually are around $9 and I paid only $3 for 18 champagne glasses, and those are plastic glasses and you can wash them and reuse them many times. And I have some old decorations. This I will hang from the ceiling. This is the Happy New Year crown. Some trumpet. You want to blow and see if it's working? That's cool. And hat, Happy New Year hat. I cannot flip it off because inside I have pins to pin everything to the ceiling. This is my table setting for New Year. I like how this turned out. And I will show you guys the rest of the decorations. This is the kitchen table. And we also put some decorations at the bar in the kitchen area. Now we can celebrate New Year. And today for the New Year's party, I'm making shrimp diavolo. I will show you guys what I use and the finished product. To make the shrimp diavolo, I need a big pot, some olive oil, pepper, salt, red crushed pepper, some parsley leaves, fresh parsley, but I don't have any in my house. I will use this Italian parsley flakes. This is the dry parsley. And I will use 2 or 3 cans of diced tomatoes. And some garlic, and I will crush this garlic. And those are my shrimp for today's recipe. And this dish is with the pasta. I already cooked some pasta, and now I'll make the shrimp diavolo. And first I'm frying this garlic, crushed garlic with the oil, and now I will add the shrimp, and after that I will add those diced tomatoes. Now I'm adding red pepper. If you want more spicy, you can add more flakes. If you want less spicy, you add less flakes. And some parsley. And I will cook this at least for 1 minute and combine this with pasta. And I will serve this with this New York style garlic breadsticks. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I wish you Happy New Year.